Hey there, Storm Door Guy here, and if you're watching this video, you have a question as to why your storm door will not close when the entry door is closed. And I'm going to answer that right now. So let's get into this. So if you have a storm door on your entry door, you'll notice when you leave the house and close the entry door behind you, the storm door will not close and latch on its own. There's a very good reason for that. And that reason is the air pressure buildup between the two doors. As that storm door closes, the air that's trapped between the two doors compresses, and eventually it becomes strong enough to prevent or push that storm door open so it will not close and latch on its own. That's just a physics thing. That's the way the doors are designed. We have no control over that as an installer. That's just, like I said, a physics thing. Now, I've been doing this for nearly 2 decades, and I can't tell you how many people still disagree with me on that issue. So I've had builders, I've had attorneys, I've had engineers threaten to sue because the door doesn't close the way it's supposed to. All kinds of complaints about that. And honestly, it's just the physics of the door. Now, if that is your primary concern for buying a door, then I would highly suggest you check out the Larson Platinum models because they have a built-in hidden closer, and something about the way the pneumatics and that spring and the hydraulics are, you can get that door to close slowly and steadily so that air that's trapped between the two doors has a chance to escape, and it will close and latch on its own with the entry door closed. But that's the only model door that I've been able to find in the last 2 decades of doing this where that will actually work. If you have the old piston style closers, no matter what you do, it will not close and latch on its own if that entry door is closed. The only other option that you would have is drop your storm door window, and if you have the screen in there, then that screen allows the air that's trapped between the two doors to escape, and it'll work fine. It'll close and latch on its own. But you have to have the screen down about half the height of the door in order for that differential to happen so that the storm door does close and latch on its own. So if your storm door doesn't close and latch on its own with the entry door closed, that's just the way the doors are made and the physics of how they operate. So if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's the little @ Storm Door Guy, or you can find us online at stormdoorguy.com. If you have other questions or comments or ideas for videos for me to do in the future, please by all means leave them in the comments below. I respond to them as quickly and as often as I can.